Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Introduction to Python Programming. So now here in this video, we are going to discuss about what is Python programming, and what are the features of Python. First, we are going to discuss about what is Python. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1990. Python is used for web development applications, software development, mathematics, system scripting, game development, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data analysis, etc. So Python is an open source software, object oriented, high level, powerful programming language. Python is a powerful general-purpose programming language. It is used in web development, data science, creating software prototype, and so on. So for beginners, Python has simple, easy to use syntax. This makes Python an excellent language to learn to program for beginners. Python is a cross-platform programming language, which means that it can run on multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, etc. and has even been ported to the Java and .NET virtual machines. So Python is available for download from python.org website. So this is the definition of Python. Next, coming to what is Python programming. So Python programs are composed of modules. Modules contain statements. Statements contain expressions. Expressions create and process objects. Expressions create and process objects. That is Python programming. The next one is features of Python. So Python is a high-level interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented scripting programming language. So Python is designed to be highly readable. So Python is an open source software. So Python is easy to learn. So Python is high level programming language. So Python is portable. Python is object oriented programming language. So Python is interactive and interpreted. So Python is extendable. So these are the features of the Python. So what is the open source? What is Python open source? So Python is publicly available open source software. Anyone can use anyone can use source code that does not cost anything. So easy to learn. So Python is a popular language, clear and easy to use syntax, no type declarations, automatic memory management, high level data types and operations, designed to read and write fast. So because of that, Python is easy to learn. Python is high level programming language. High level language refers to the higher level of concept from the machine language. For example, assembly languages. So Python is a good example of high level programming language like C, C++, Perl and Java with low level optimization. So Python is a portable. So high level languages are portable, which means that they are able to run across all major platforms. So that is hardware platform and software platforms with a few or no change in source code. So Python is portable and can be used on Linux, Windows, Ubuntu, Solaris, etc. So Python is an object-oriented programming language. So Python is a full-featured object-oriented programming language with features such as classes, inheritance, objects, and overloading. Python is an interactive mode. So Python has an interactive console where we get a Python prompt or Python command line and interact with the interpreter directly to write and test your program. And what is the interactive mode that will be discussed later on. So this Python interactive mode is useful for mathematical programming, and Python is an interpreted. So Python programs are interpreted, takes source code as input and then compiles each statement and execute it immediately. So Python is an extendable. So Python is often referred to as a glue language, meaning that it is capable to work in mixed language environment. So the Python interpreter is easily extended and can add a new built-in functions or modules written in C, C++, Java code. And next feature of the Python is libraries. So Python supports a lot of libraries. So databases, web services, networking, numerical packages, and graphical user interface, 3D graphics, others. So Python is a beginner's language. Python is a great language for the beginner level programmers and support the development of a wide range of applications. So these are the features of Python. And what are the characteristics of the Python? The main important characteristics of the Python programming are the Python supports functional and supported programming methods as well as object-oriented programming. So Python can be used as a scripting language or can be compiled to bytecode for building large applications. Python provides high-level dynamic data types and support dynamic type checking. Python supports automatic garbage collections. So Python can be easily integrated with C language, C++, ActiveX, and Java. So these are the important features of Python programming language.